Hey there, today I'm going to teach you how you can add your Twilio number into the settings of Alta. So you're going to go to the settings, you're going to go to the phone numbers, you're going to click there, and then you're going to go and import a phone number. Here you're going to see the option to add the name, number, account SID, and authentication token. The name will be the name of the number. So, for example, if it's your own number, you can put your name and then the number. And then to get the number, account SID, and authentication token, we're gonna jump into Twilio. So when you enter into Twilio into your account, you're gonna search for the account information. If you get lost, you can help yourself by writing it here in the search bar. And then you're gonna find the account SID, alt token, and the Twilio number. You can just click copy and then you can go back to Alta and paste it. Pasted all information of the number, account SID, and authentication token, and then just make sure that the number starts with the plus. After that, you will click import and you're gonna see here your number, which is gonna be ready to use. Hope this helps in the next video.